So hey everyone, in this video we will see TikTok automatically unfollows after you follow, reason and how to fix. Common reasons are app glitches and corrupted data can lead to visual display error and syncing issue. Set TikTok limit user to a maximum of 10,000 account followed. User can only follow approximately 200 account per day. Account restrictions or shadow bans may occur if guidelines are violated, temporarily suspending interaction capabilities. Regional server may experience lag leading to delayed registrations of follows. User may employ a follow or unfollow strategy to gain notification and improve their follower to following ratio. Fix one is clear your app cache. Navigate to the profile, select setting and privacy, choose the option to free up space, tap on clear cache. Second fix is update the app. Access your device app store like iOS or Android, search for TikTok in the app store, check for update to ensure you have the latest version, download and install any available update. Third fix is log out and log back in. Open TikTok and tap profile, then tap menu top right corner, select setting and privacy, scroll down and tap logout, confirm by tapping logout again, reopen TikTok and tap login. Fourth fix is wait out to cool down. If delay follow limit is reached, pause following new account, wait to 24 to 48 hours before trying to follow again. Fifth fix is report the issue. Navigate the profile, select setting and privacy, choose report a problem, contact TikTok support for assistance if issue continues. So these are the fixes that can help you to fix this issue. So thanks for watching.